Welcome to Zoho Pulse, your online workspace to connect, communicate, and collaborate. Zoho Pulse allows you to form a connected enterprise by unifying multiple channels of information into one secure online workspace. The first thing you do is invite members of your organization. While each member can edit their own profile details, you can even form different groups based on departments, hierarchy, or just for fun. So now you and your colleagues are connected no matter where they are. Posts on the wall give you a glimpse of what is going on in the organization. You can share your ideas, get responses or comments, attach interesting images and get liked, or even run a company-wide poll. While Forum helps initiate serious discussions, you can use blogs to share your thoughts on anything that interests you. Others too. Does this look social? Yes. Zoho Pulse is designed to keep you informed. You can follow a person, a page, or even a topic in discussion. And if you think this is not enough, you can build custom apps to automate workflows which are otherwise cumbersome.